Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how InRiver helps streamline product data management in 2025. InRiver is a product information management platform, also called PIM. It centralizes all your product data, descriptions, images, specs, and makes it easier to share across e-commerce sites, marketplaces, and marketing channels. One of the biggest strengths of InRiver is speed and consistency. Instead of updating product info across multiple platforms, you update once in InRiver and it syncs everywhere. This reduces errors, improves product launches, and gives customers the right details at the right time. It also scalable, meaning it works for growing businesses and enterprise-level brands handling thousands of SKUs. Plus, InRiver offers built-in workflow tools, making collaboration between marketing, sales, and product teams seamless. Thanks for watching this InRiver review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PIM and e-commerce software reviews.